Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw from MEXC to your bank account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I am on this Zengo website. So first of all, you just have to open the MEXC app and log in into your account. So if you don't already have MEXC app, just go to your app store on your iOS or Google Play Store. And here just search for MEXC, and this is how you download their mobile app, and this first application right here. So once you have done that and logged into your MEXC app, just click the wallets button, which can be found at the bottom right of the main menu. Then find the withdraw option, and now just select the cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw from the list, or use the search tool to search for your desired crypto coin. So once you have done that, just enter the withdrawal address from your Zengo wallet for the selected cryptocurrency. So you can find your Zengo address by selecting actions. So this is for Zengo. So if you are using a bank account, you can just select bank account, and now just specify the withdrawal amount and choose the appropriate network or for the transfer. Double check the right amount and the network have been selected, and then just verify the withdrawal details and click on submit. So this is for the Zengo wallet. So if you are withdrawing to your bank account, you just have to select your bank account instead of the Zengo wallet. So yeah guys, the steps are gonna be the same for your bank account as well. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.